5 advanced words, plus idiom. At the end, a short story with all the words. Let's begin. Turnover. The total amount of goods or services sold by a company during a particular period of time, the rate at which employees leave and get replaced.
The company's annual turnover reached $2 million last year. The restaurant increased its turnover by nearly 20% in 6 months. The hotel has a high turnover of seasonal employees.
Scrap. To abandon or get rid of something because it is no longer useful or worth continuing. Synonyms: abandon, cancel, discard.
The engineers scrapped the original design and started from scratch. They decided to scrap the whole project after the budget cuts. The old buses were scrapped because they were no longer safe to drive.
Follow through. To continue an action or plan until it's fully completed, not give up halfway. Synonyms: complete, accomplish, carry through.
The company announced major changes but never followed through on them. Setting goals is easy. Following through is much harder. He always makes promises, but rarely follows through on them. Good leaders follow through on their decisions.
Carry out. To perform or execute a task, plan, or instruction.
Synonyms: execute, perform, conduct. They carried out a customer survey to find out why sales were falling. She carried out her duties professionally and efficiently. We need to carry out a thorough audit of our financial records.
Sluggish. Moving, reacting, or functioning slower than normal, lacking energy. Synonyms: slow, lethargic, inactive.
Sales have been sluggish all summer. The economy is still sluggish despite the recent reforms. After the long flight, everyone felt sluggish and jet-lagged.
At a crossroads. At a critical point where an important decision must be made.
The company is at a crossroads: expand internationally or focus on the domestic market. The industry is at a crossroads as AI changes the way people work.
To be torn. To be unable to choose between 2 options.
I was torn between accepting the promotion and staying close to my family. We're torn on whether to renovate or just sell the house.
Short story using all today's vocabulary.
When Daniel decided to expand into international markets, he assigned the project to his existing team. Although they knew the company well, they had little experience with foreign markets, and progress soon became sluggish. Daniel found himself at a crossroads, torn between hiring outside specialists and investing in his current team. He chose to follow through with the expansion, but scrapped the original launch schedule. Instead, the company carried out an intensive training program to give the team the skills they needed. The launch was delayed by 6 months, but sales soon exceeded expectations. The team could now manage international clients independently, and staff turnover fell sharply over the following year.
Today we've learned turnover, scrap, follow through, carry out, sluggish, at a crossroads, to be torn. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe and watch our podcast to dive even deeper.